us. Sorry.
Hi, Susan. Hey, Festus. Come on. Everyone's waiting in the auditorium.
Where is everyone?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Y, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The alphabet song,
that's right, we're playing it. And the alphabet soon you'll be saying it. Say the letters along with me. You can learn your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now that you've heard this alphabet song, let's go a little faster while you sing along.
Sing along with the alphabet beats. What you want your ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Y, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Y, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Y, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
All right. Don't you just love that new alphabet song? Look at these big letters. They're called capital letters or uppercase letters. We use them at the beginning of some important words and at the beginning of sentences.
And these smaller letters are called lowercase letters. You'll see them most often when you are reading.
I know the alphabet, Brad, but how does knowing the alphabet help me learn to read?
I'll tell you how, Festus. First, we'll learn the sounds that the letters can make. Let's go through some of them right now.
A,
Apple. Apple.
B,
Bug.
bug.
C.
Cat.
D.
Dog.
Dog. E.
Egg.
Egg. F,
Fan.
G.
Gum. H. Hat. I. Igloo.
Igloo.
J. Jet. K.
Kid.
L. Log.
Log.
M. Mug.
Mug.
N. Nut. Nut. O.
Octopus.
Octopus. P.
Pig.
Q.
Quilt.
Quilt. R.
Rat.
Rat. Rat. S. Sun. Sun. T. Top. Top.
U.
Umbrella. Umbrella. V. Van.
Van.
W.
Wagon. Wagon. X.
At the end of the word fox. Fox. Y.
Yak. Yak. Z. Zoo. Zoo.
Now, let's play a game. See if you can say the sound of each letter before I do. To make the game fun, we've mixed up the letters.
I like playing this game over and over. The more I play, the better I get.
C. Cat. P. Pig. A. Apple. G. Gum. H. Hat. B.
Bug.
I. Igloo. T. Top. D. Dog. R. Rat. S. Sun. J. Jet. O. Octopus. W. Wagon. K. Kid. B. Van. M. Mug. L. Log. N. Nut. F. Fan. Y. Yak. E. Egg. X. At the end of the word fox.
U.
Umbrella. Q,
Followed
followed by
U.
quilt.
Z.
Zoo. Great job!
I noticed that you made some of the sounds really fast. Next time you practice, see if you can say even more of the sounds before Brad.
That's a good way to practice, Susan. Hey, I heard that you and Eric have another fun way to practice letter sounds.
We sure do. Come this way.
Oh boy, I can hardly wait. Learning letter sounds is fun.
And now it's time for Name That Letter. I'm your host, Eric. Are you ready to play? Good. Here's how it works. Susan will read a sentence. Listen to the sounds in the words, then see if you can name the letter that makes the sound you hear most before the clock runs out. Susan, let's read the first sentence.
Okay, ready? An alligator and an ant added apples.
Did you figure it out? The sound you heard most, is made by the letter A. The answer is A. Let's do some more, Susan.
Jolly jellyfish jump for joy. The answer is J. Cute, cuddly cats crunch cucumbers. The answer is C. Zany zebras zigzag at the zoo. The answer is Z. Nice nanny goats never noticed new neon necklaces. The answer is N. Darling dogs dance daintily in the daisies. The answer is D. Impolite insects ignore icky inchworms. The answer is I. Bouncing boys break beds before bedtime. The answer is B.
We'll be right back after a word from our sponsors. Hi. Okay, that's your word. Now, back to Name That Letter. Susan, next sentence, please.
Kind kangaroos kiss koalas. The answer is K. Eddie enjoys extra eggs every morning. The answer is E. Many monkeys make mailmen mad. The answer is M. Two turtles toppled 20 tulips. The answer is T. answer is F. Hungry horses hate having hiccups. The answer is H. Polly Porcupine pokes people. The answer is P. Volcanoes vibrate very vocal vultures. The answer is V. Sweaty socks sometimes smell stinky. The answer is S. Your yellow yams are yummy. The answer is Y. Ollie Octopus often eats olives. The answer is O. Grumpy gorillas grab gorgeous girls. The answer is G. Rough rats run rowdy races. The answer is R. Ugly umbrellas unexpectedly open up. The answer is U. Lovely lions leap over lazy leopards. The answer is L. Willie watches Wilma Walrus walk wonderfully. The answer is W.
And now for the bonus round. These letters are a little harder to guess, but I know you can do it. Susan, the bonus sentences, please.
Quaint queens quietly quit quilting. The answer is Q. Q is usually followed by the letter U. Together, Q and U make the sound qu, qu, qu. The fox will fix box 6. The answer is X. X usually comes in the middle or at the end of a word. If X starts a word, it makes a Z sound, like in the word xylophone.
All right! That was fun. Remember, you can play again as many times as you like. That's all the time we have for now. Thanks for playing. Name that letter!
Some of our contestants will receive Rock and Learn Phonics, the best way to learn more about letters and the sounds they make, and Rock and Learn math programs. Rock and Learn, videos, music, and apps for fun learning.
We have learned that H makes the H sound, as in hat. A makes the A sound, as in apple. And D makes the D sound, as in dog. If we put them all together, we say add, add, had. Let's try reading some more simple words.
A. An. As. At. B. Bus. Bed. Big. C. Cup. Cut. Can. D. Dip. Dog. Dad. E. Egg. Ed. F. Fit. Fed. Fun. G. Gas. Get. Got. H. Had. Hot. Him. I. It. In. J. Jog. Job. Jug. K. Kiss. Kid. Kit. L. Lip. Lot. Log. M. Met. Mop. Man. N. Nap. Net. Not. O. Off. P. Pet. Pop. Pen. Q. Quiz. Quit.
Okay, very funny. You can start again.
R. Run. Red. Ran. S. Sun. Sit. Sad. T. 10. Top. Tag. U. Us. Up. V. Vent. Van. That. W. Wet. Win. Wag. X. Mix. Box. Fix. Y.
Yep.
Yet. Yes. Yam.
V.
Zip. Zig. Zag.
Some words are short, some words are long. Put the sounds together and read along.
You can sound out words in this song. Keep practicing and you can't go wrong.
Yeah!
Ooh, S. Glass. At. Brat.
Cool. App. Clap. Cr. App. Crab.
Up. Drop. At. Flag. Off. Frog. You're doing good.
You're doing fine.
Let's read these words
And stay in time.
Go at. Glass.
Ass. Grass.
Pull. Plum. Print.
Sk. Ip. Skip. Sl. Ip. Slip.
Smog.
You know the sounds that you will need.
Keep practicing and learn to read.
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Snap.
Eh. Spin.
Still.
Turn. Trap.
Spool. Split.
Stir. Strum.
Put letters together and you can read.
Come on now, say these words with me.
Duck. Soft.
Oof. Elf. Oak. Milk.
Elm.
Oop. Gulp.
Ult. Quilt.
Look at the screen and read some more.
You're reading better than ever before.
Yeah!
Lamp.
Hand.
Honk.
Hint.
Desk.
Best.
Not all words can be sounded out. A few you will just have to memorize.
Let's read some of these words with our good friend WordBot. WordBot. First, WordBot will show you a word. Then, you can say the word and spell it with Susan. Say the word with Susan again to be sure it gets into your memory banks. With practice, you'll be able to read the words before Susan.
The. T-H-E. The. Of. O-F. Of. For. F-O-R. For. C. S-E-E. C. Go. G-O. Go. Two. T-O. Two. Them. T-H-E-M. Them. That. T-H-A-T. That. You. Y-O-U. You. Is. I-S. Is. Has. H-A-S. Has. Then. T-H-E-N. T-H-E-N. Then.
N.
This. T-H-I-S. This.
N.
There. T-H-E-R-E. There.
There.
Do.
Mm.
D-O. Do. Was. W-A-S. Was. My. M-Y. My. From. F-R-O-M. From. You have already learned to read words. Now let's read words that have been put together to make a sentence. No, really, it's easy. Come on, let's read these sentences together.
This'll be fun because each group of sentences tells a short story.
First, you will see a sentence on the screen.
While the music is playing, try to read the sentence before me. Then, read the sentence again with me. A frog sat on a log. The log was in a pond.
Jump.
The frog can jump. The frog is off the log. A cat slept on a mat. A dog sat on the cat. The cat ran from the dog. The dog slept on the mat. I can clap. Bob will rap. I ran fast. I fell. I cut my leg. Jan got help. I can kick a can. The can will spin. Then the can will stop. Did you see the duck? See it swim in the pond. It will quack. The dog was lost. I will lift the quilt. The dog will jump up. The dog will lick my hand. Bob can see the ant run. The ant ran fast. Bob will ask Nan to see the ant. you are enjoying this Rock and Learn video. Rock and Learn has many entertaining audio and video programs, all designed to make learning fun for kids of all ages. Take a look at some of the audio and video programs Rock and Learn has to offer. One of our best-selling programs, Rock and Learn Letter Sounds, really motivates young learners just starting to read. Rock and Learn Phonics is a more comprehensive reading program that builds on what kids learn on letter sounds and takes them to the next level. Our Phonics Easy Readers on DVD provide fun practice with the skills taught in our Phonics audio and video programs. Young learners love our Rock and Learn Alphabet series, Color, Shapes, and Counting, and Nursery Rhymes. Check out our exciting audio and video programs for learning math, science, social studies, languages, test-taking strategies, and more. All of our audio programs include a book with either colorful illustrations or fun activities. To learn more about what's new, visit us at www.rockandlearn.com. Rock and Learn, videos, music, and apps for fun learning.